all gonna be good. Like you know you should. Yeah, till you've understood. Until you feel it like yourself again. Feel the sunlight on your skin. Leave your heartbeat beating. Gone, breathing.
Hi guys, this is me, Vincent Aldaya, from University of Cebu, taking up the course of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Studies.
I'm Jennard Ludong, Bachelor of Secondary Education 2, major in Social Studies.
So for today's vlog, we will be going to discuss you about the basic terms and concepts in ICT. So if you want to learn about this topic, please continue watching. Without further ado, let's begin in 3, 2, 1.
Number 1 is technology. Technology refers to a mix of process and products used in the application of knowledge.
So when we say technology, it has the ability to enhance relationship between teachers and students. When teachers effectively integrate technology into subject areas, teachers grow into roles of advisors, content expert, and coach. So technology really helps make teaching and learning more meaningful and fun. So example of the technologies, I know that you are aware already what technology is all about. So technologies are cell phones, laptops, and computers. So in short, technology is a device tool that is used in teaching and also in learning.
ICT literacy. It is use of digital technology, communication tools, and our networks to access, manage, integrate, evaluate, create, and communicate information in order to function in a knowledge society.
So there are a wide range of benefit of embedding ICT literacy in their curriculum, which make it a must today. These are improves motivation and engagement with learning. It leads to increased collaboration, greater engagement and persistence, more task-specific behavior, and better understanding of concepts.
Educational technology. It refers to the use of technology in teaching and learning. It includes both non-digital and also the digital.
Educational technology is a field of study that investigates the process of analyzing, designing, developing, implementing, and evaluating the instructional environment and learning materials in order to improve teaching and learning.
Digital literacy. It is the ability to find, evaluate, utilize, share, and create contents using information technologies and internet. It also the ability to use information and communication acquiring both cognitive and technical skills.
Digital literacy expands the scope of traditional literacy. It encompasses learning skills that incorporate audio and video for strengthening thinking and learning in students.
Digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by institutional practice that makes effective use of technology.
Digital learning is learning facilitated by technology that gives students some element. When we say facilitated by technology, it means that the children or the students are learning through technology. Means that technology is really helpful to the students, especially nowadays that most of the students uses technology.
Online digital tools and apps use an internet connection. Common example is Skype, a telecommunication application software product that specializes in providing video chat and voice call between computers, tablets, mobile device via internet and regular telephones.
Online digital tools and apps. So in our educational system nowadays, the new normal education are divided into two. we all know that there are synchronous classes and asynchronous classes. So synchronous classes is one of the example of online digital tools and apps. So we will be meeting through Google Meets and also through Zooms. And for some reason, there are still a lot of apps that offers video conference, video meetings such as Skype, Messenger chats, and a lot more.
Offline digital tools and apps. It includes Canary Learning. It allows offline access for students to write homework and for teachers to grade it. eBooks, KLite. KLite is a light web application software that allows users without internet access to engage with Khan Academy videos and exercise in completely offline setting.
The offline digital tools and apps example of this is the asynchronous classes. Asynchronous classes means that we're not going to have virtual classes, but we're doing assignments, activities, and homeworks done at home.
Instructional technology is the theory and practice of design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation of the process and resources for learning. Software refers to program control instructions and accompanying documents stored in disk or tapes when not being used in computers.
Application software offers practical uses for students, such as Word, processing, database management, and school schedule maintenance. Games and simulations motivate and interest students who are learning new information or reviewing previously taught lesson. So I'll be showing here to you guys what software looks like.
Multimedia. Sequential or simultaneous use of a variety of formats in a given presentations or self-study programs.
Multimedia content helps to vary and enhance the learning process and leads to better knowledge retention. Educational video can provide more opportunities for students to engage with the content. Students around the world can learn from course content made available through video.
Internet is a massive networks of networks and networks infrastructure. It is generally defined as a global network connecting millions of computers.
So internet can improve the quality of education in many ways. It opens doorways to a wealth of information, knowledge, and educational resources, increasing opportunities for learning in and beyond the classroom. So I know that you are already aware that internet nowadays is very important, especially most of us already have online classes. So with the use of internet, we can access a lot of things through websites, and I know that internet is one of the useful tool in order for us to learn and to gain information through surfing website.
World Wide Web, also called as web, is a graphical environment on computer networks that allows you to access, view, and maintain documentations that can include text, data, sound, and videos of the internet.
So World Wide Web, it enhances student learning, spending more time with students working in small groups or one-on-one, reducing repetitive teaching tasks, reducing proper flow and management, and providing improved instructional materials.
Web access is the ability of learners to access the internet at any point during the lesson in order to take advantage of the array of available education resources.
Web access. So if we're going to have an access to the internet, it is one of the fundamental to achieve the vision for the future. It can improve the quality of education in many ways.
WebQuest, inquiry-oriented lesson format in which most of all information that learners work with comes from the web. This can be created using various programs, including simple word processing documents that include links to websites. So a web quest is a valuable tool to use with students. It allows students to work at their own pace, either individually or in a team. A web quest is a fun, research-based tool to help students learn more detailed information about a specific topic being studied and creates a greater sense of importance for the topic. Productivity tools refers to any type of software associated with computers and related technologies that can be used as tools for personal, professional, or classroom productivity. So example of productivity tools are: first, Excel, which is very helpful in computing grades. Another example is PowerPoint, which allows you to create and show slides to support a presentation. You can combine text, graphics, and multimedia content to create professional presentations. Technology tools is an instrument used for doing work. It can be anything that help you accomplish your goals with the use of the technology. Examples for these are data or calculation tools, design tools, discussion tools, email tools, and handheld device. So when we say data or calculation tools, this section provides model worksheets that help you collect and record your data and links to existing data, conversation, tables that help calculate some indicators. And when we say design tools, these are objects, media, or computer programs which can be used to design. And for email tools, are tools marketers use to create, send, test, optimize, and report on their email campaigns. Blog is an online journal where posted information from both teachers and students are arranged. Three kinds include blogs for communication, blogs for instruction, and blogs for both. The main purpose of a blog is to connect you to the relevant audience. Another one is to boost your traffic and send quality leads to your website. The more frequent and better your blog posts are, the higher the chances for your website to get discovered and visited by your target audience. Wiki, an editable website usually with limited access, allows students to collaboratively create and post written works or digital files, such as digital photos or videos. So example is Wikipedia, a free online encyclopedia created and edited by volunteers around the world and hosted by the Wikimedia Foundation. Flipped Classroom utilizes a reverse instructional delivery, where the teacher is required to use the web resources as homework or out-of-class activity as initial instruction of the lesson which will be discussed during class time. So when we say flipped classroom, it is a type of blended learning where students are introduced to content at home and practice working through it at school. This is the reverse of the more common practice of introducing new content at school. Podcast is a video or audio multimedia clip about a single topic, typically in the format of the radio talk show. Two basic functions are to retrieve information and to disseminate information. So the purpose of podcast is to record audio discussion on a specific topic like business or travel that can be listened to. This dynamic medium can be a perfect way to deliver your daily dose of inspiration wherever your audience might be. Google Apps is a cloud-based teaching tool which is stored in a Google server and is available for students both at home and in school. Google is literally in the palm of your hands. Finding information with your mobile device just got easier. Examples of Google Apps are Mail, Calendar, Google Drive, Documents, Google Search, Slides, Contacts, Sheets, G+, Groups, and many more. Vlog is a video blog where each entry is posted as video instead of the text. I think I don't need to explain what vlog is all about because we already know what it is. Because many of us here are already vloggers and have already their YouTube accounts and starting earning money. I know most of you love watching vlogs. Yes, because I myself love watching vlogs also, especially with my idols, Jamil, because I'm a team Mandirigma by Maureen Camille and Paring Jizam, and I'm an ultimate fan of Zainab Harakid and I love watching their vlogs. Facebook, a popular social media networking site used by students and adults worldwide to present information on themselves and to the world. Facebook's mission is to give people the power to build community and bring the world closer together. People use Facebook to stay connected with friends and family, to discover what's going on in the world, and to share and express what matters to them just like what we did. Voice over Internet Protocol is a category of hardware and software that enable people to use the internet as transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in packets using IP rather than traditional circuit transmission. It allows multiple calls including conference and group calls, which is an important advantage to many businesses. This makes it easier for employees, management, and business associates to collaborate with each other and to communicate with clients. It is also faster for clients to connect with customer support. And yes, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you have learned something about this topic. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless and stay safe.